Hey everyone, I made it into a different Homegoods location, and look, they have these cute Hello Kitty mugs. They're $5. It has a pumpkin. Let me turn it around and it says Hello Kitty. That is kind of cute. Everything up front is going to be like Moose Munch Gourmet Coffee by Harry and David. That is pumpkin spice, maple bourbon. Let's see, Bobo's pumpkin spice. These are $4, gluten-free. A lot of gluten-free products. And look how cool these cards are, right? Have a ghoulish Halloween. They pop up. Yeah, the doggies and the ghosts in the haunted house. I kind of like that one. Ooh, but I think, how much are they? My favorite would have to be like this witch one. Let me grab one out real quick. They're $4. That is a nice one. They have a gnome guy. And look, they're like coming out of the grave. Oh, it says Happy Halloween. How funny. Let's see, it looks like you get 4 in here for $13. A lot of the gnomes. That says $5. Little candy dish. That pumpkin that might have candy in it. Yeah, this witch. She's a cookie jar in the back for $13. And a lot of these have candy, like candy corn and your pumpkins. They have like the vampire and caramel. Let me see. Let me grab one of these up. Don't want to grab everything out. $8. That's cute, right? And I believe this orange one, it might be a cat. Oh, look at that cat. He's cute for $8. That is really cute. And then Boo, Honey of Ghosts for $13. And these little tiny ghosts, put a little candle in it. Those are cute. These are by Corner Ruby for $10. And this little pumpkin guy with his little cute face. That vintage plate in the back is really nice. By Hollow Home. Can't get to the price on that, but plenty of those mugs too. Here's one Snoopy one. I'm trying to see if I can get everything in here. Look at these. These are like more candy. Trick or treat. It's like gummy body parts. And then look at that. Someone bought that. It's sold. They put the witches in it. How crazy. Salem. That one's still around. These pillows are really nice. I think I might have showed these in a different video. And the witches. They're really similar to Tuesday morning. They're about 20. Of these witches, they're 20. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think this might do it for Halloween in this location. Because when I turn around, bam, they have Christmas. They have the seahorse with the Santa hat. Peace with the shells, a lot of pink, and another starfish with the Santa hat. This is gonna be like the beachy theme. Like, check that out. Ain't that crazy? She's riding a dolphin for $10. Oh, look at that one with the seahorse. I do love these pumpkins, but check that out. From far away, it kind of looks like a gingerbread. $13. How you guys feeling about the beachy theme? Look at her. Snowman's $15. Holy moly, I'm not even ready. I am not ready. Another lovely pumpkin. And check out these trees. They're so nice here. They're $17 and it does light up. It will light up for you. You see on the peace one. It's quite a bit in this, full of glitter, of course, for $13. This one just cracks me up. I've never seen that. Ever. This one's for fall. $17. Reminds me of Christmas more. Then of course we're gonna get into Rae Dunn. Oh gosh, Joyful Mary. These are $8. And they have the snowman that says Merry and bright, and tons of signs. What is this? I just found this randomly. Oh, it looked like it was a Santa Claus doll. And these trees are full of glitter. Let me bring it up. Looks like they might all be $17. Just found this guy randomly for $5.99. So you know, for Halloween we found a lot of the Halloween cottages. So today they have the Christmas ones, and these are $7. And there's little stuff hidden. I'm not sure if they're in the Christmas ones, but I know on the Halloween. Oh yeah, there's hidden stuff in here. Ain't that crazy? These are pretty pricey online. $7. A little light and batteries, like a little gingerbread house. Oh gosh, look at this one. If you have a little doggy, Pomeranian, oh my gosh, that is hilarious. And then Pause for Christmas. These are Eat. This one has the deer in it. A lot of doggies. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have a shepherd. Oh my gosh, the German shepherd. I should get this one. Oh my gosh. That's $7. I'm gonna hold on to that one. Another nativity scene. And look at, this is really cute. I wonder if that closes. The little train wagon. $13 for this one. Here's Polar Precinct. Oh my gosh, little gingerbread cop. Let's see what's in the back. You got gingerbread family. It's funny. Looks like maybe a firehouse or North Pole engine. Okay. Here's the Coca-Cola one. I mean, if you'd like to collect the Coca-Cola, they have one. These are just too cool. I know. Let's see. Look at this, like a bridge. Then we have your lighthouse. The gnomes. More gnomes. The lady said a lot of people are buying the gnomes already. $17 for the deer. That Santa is $20. And this is like leftover for Christmas. I mean, Halloween. Oh, look at that jack-o'-lantern with that face. Oh my god, that is so crazy. Okay, here's some more Halloween I found. Look at that cookie jar by Blue Sky. This is a nice, cool one. And we have the moon. And then more gnome cookie jars in the back. I don't think we've seen this one either. Let me bring out this guy right here. He is $7. He's kind of cool looking, right? Oh, don't want to drop him. And there's one right here. He's like peeking out. It's like a little skull one. Oh, I can't move all of this around. Let's see. Trick or treat. I want to get to this pumpkin patch. Oh, it's just like pumpkins. Says pumpkin patch. Plenty of your fall plates. We have the sunflowers. This one's really nice. I want to, can I cut this out? Okay. I was almost afraid I'm going to drop something. $13 for that 2-tiered pumpkin. And same over here, $13 by Harvest Blessing. They even have your butter dish. And look, they have the gnome on the leaf. He's just hanging out. Little gnome cookie jar. Those are nice, right? Let me pull out this sunflower one for you. Hand painted. You know what? I can't pull it out. That large pumpkin is $15 right up front. Oh, look, you guys. They have a turkey tray. Look right here. He's hidden in the back. $17 by Spode. Oh, I've never seen this one by Spode. But the turkeys, this is actually quite nice for $4. They also have the large one, and these are $3. And then a solid blue on top. Let me pull one out real quick. For $4, okay. And a few dinnerware. Guess if you're having a big gathering, they always bring this out around like fall time. $25. The 20 is 16 pieces, all white. Cranberry sauce for $7, and Be Kind is $20. Plenty of Rae Dunn up here. Beans, the game day. They even have tea. You're my cup of tea. I don't think I ever seen this one. This one's actually a pretty little nice tray. Like a little trio tray. It's only $13 for this one. And in the back it has rosemary. You know, you get like 4. Let me see if I can pull this one up. $25. If I could twist that around. And then everything, if you're a gold lover, tons of gold. Gold and white. Oh yes. This is gonna be $5 for the little bowl. Even the square is $4. It's quite a bit today. Don't forget your gold pineapple. Holiday blend is $4. Look at that one with the snowman. Medium roast holiday buzz. These are 10. Maybe put a little, you know, adult beverage in that one. Some of these are $5.99 to $6. Oh, they have quite a variety today. Oh my gosh, look at this face one. Just found this randomly. Those are kind of cute, these containers. This one down here is really nice. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Let me grab it out. $13. It is oven safe. I did find a few more Halloween. We have Handsome Devil, Wicked Witch. I love these orange pumpkins. And you guys, that black and orange one. Oh, this party bowl. Okay, this is $10. You put your little toothpicks in there. It's like a little potion. How funny is that? That is new for me. Make sure I put that back right. Oh, look, it looks like a Christmas candle. These are $15. Oh, what is this one? Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this one here. I don't know if that goes there. I don't think so. I think that goes to something else. Like a chip dip bowl, appetizer bowl. Anything you want in the middle. These are so nice. $13. And I think that might be it, you guys, for like anything Christmas or Halloween. I was actually hoping to find more Halloween when I walked in here. So it's like we have fall, Halloween left over, and then they're starting to put out Christmas. Really nice. Made in Italy. This one's going to be $4. Then we have like another one. These are $5.99. And this one's a little different. I don't think I've seen one with the silver. These are $5. Looks like she put out some more pillows, some pictures at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video though and get out of their way. More signs. We're gonna see a lot of Rae Dunn signs, like believe. Oh my gosh. There's so many to choose from. Then over here is gonna be like fall pillows. The beaded ones with the pumpkins. Then we have give thanks. Really simple. This one's $17. So I found this one randomly. It's like a really vintage pumpkin. It says Halloween fortune wheel. Only have one hand today, you guys. I dumped my kids off and husband at Dave and Buster's. I'm like, go there and leave me alone. Here's a cat. Oh gosh. Hold on. Here we go. Isn't that cute? Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.